Yup. Check this out.
Alright, so look, you're gonna find the Cowboy cough syrup right here on page 112. And you'll know because it's right next to the hot toddy. So this is how you make it. You're gonna take these ingredients and make sure that you read these notes as well. And then boom, you're gonna follow these instructions on how to prepare it, store it, as well as dosage use. And always make sure to do your own research. This is definitely a great gift for any book lovers this holiday season. This is your Forgotten Home Apothecary Guide with over 200 plus remedies. So catch the Cyber Monday sale. I'm gonna tag it right here on this video so you can grab yours today.